How to get $100 Tim Hortons promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Tim Hortons promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Tim Hortons. For instance, I'm gonna open this one website. Don't pay full. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Tim Hortons. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 25% off, $15 off, 30% off, and many more. To grab any of the offer, you have to click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now you can head towards the website of Tim Hortons, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. So this way, you can easily get up to $100 off Tim Hortons promo code. Likewise, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Tim Hortons. Well, that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.